Welcome back, students of class 5. This is your English grammar class. Get ready with your book, English grammar book. Today we would be continuing with the same chapter number 31, punctuation and capital letters. Already we started. Hope you can remember the chapter. Hope you have learned this chapter. Come to page number 128. We were doing the exercise part. I repeat number I. Okay. Insert commas where necessary in the following sentences. Do you need my help? Yes, comma, I do. Number 2. Will you speak a bit loudly, comma. The room was small, comma, dark, comma, dirty and smelly. Number 4. Delhi is one of the most polluted cities, comma. Number 5. The question paper was very difficult. 2 questions were, comma, in fact, out of course. Number 6. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, comma. Number 7. All our hopes lay with Gaurav. All our hope lay with Gaurav. Okay. He, however, comma, got out in the very first over. Now come to number J. Insert apostrophe wherever needed. So we have to insert apostrophe here. Number 1. A chemist shop. Chemist shop. A singular number. So put apostrophe after chemist. CHEMIST apostrophe S. CHEMIST apostrophe S. Singular number. A chemist shop. Number 2. Chemist shops, plural number. That's why you will put apostrophe after S. CHEMISTS. Then put apostrophe. Be careful. When it is singular number, then we will put an apostrophe after T. CHEMIST apostrophe S. Number 2, it is plural number. That's why CHEMISTS. Then put an apostrophe. Okay. Chemist shops. Number 3, Bikash bag. Bikash's bag. Bikash, VIKAS apostrophe S. Singular number. VIKAS apostrophe S. Number 4, women's hostel. Women, plural number. That's why WOMEN apostrophe S. WOMEN apostrophe S. Women's hostel. Number 5, the kangaroo's pouch. KANGAROO apostrophe S. KANGAROO apostrophe S. The kangaroo's pouch. Singular number. Number 6, officers' flats. Then we will write OFFICERS at the end apostrophe. OFFICERS apostrophe. Officers' flats. Number 7, babies' dresses. This is plural number. BABIES apostrophe. BABIES then apostrophe, because plural number. That's why at the end you will put an apostrophe. BABIES apostrophe. Babies' dresses. Number 8, Dr. Das's class. Dr. Das singular number. DAS apostrophe S. DAS apostrophe S. Number 9, children's literature. Plural number. CHILDREN apostrophe S. CHILDREN apostrophe S. Children's. Number 10, this child's parents. CHILD apostrophe S. CHILD apostrophe S. Students, please remember, some words are where when we make it plural, we add S or ES. Then when this kind of plural words, when we find the word is plural, okay, then we will put the apostrophe at the end. If the word, I mean from singular to plural, when it is done plural by adding s or es, then for plural number, that kind of plural number, you will put apostrophe at the end. For example, babies, babies apostrophe at last. But for children, women, these are separate cases. Then you will write children apostrophe s. Women's, women apostrophe s. Clear? Next, number K. Put in inverted commas where needed. So here we will put inverted commas. Number 1. Who has made these curtains dirty? Angrily asked the mother. The mother asked. Where we use inverted comma, can you remember? We use inverted comma only to enclose the exact word spoken by the speaker. Okay, so number 1, put inverted comma, start inverted comma, then write who has made these curtains dirty, inverted comma closed. Number 2, inverted comma starts Mr. Nobody, inverted comma closed, said Prerna. Number 3, inverted comma starts begins Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been, inverted comma closed. Number 4, inverted comma starts I have been to London to look at the Queen, inverted comma closed. Number 5, what can you tell, inverted comma, start inverted comma, what can you tell me about the great scientist of the 18th century, inverted comma closed. Number 6 begins with inverted comma, they are all dead, ma'am, inverted comma closed, replied Bibu. I repeat, number 1, inverted comma start with inverted comma, who has made these curtains dirty, inverted comma closed. Number 2 starts with inverted comma, Mr. Nobody, inverted comma closed. Number 3 starts with inverted comma, pussycat, pussycat, where have you been, inverted comma closed. Number 4 also starts with inverted comma, I have been to London to look at the Queen, inverted comma closed. Number 5 starts with inverted comma, what can you tell me about the great scientist of the 18th century, inverted comma closed. Next, number 6 inverted comma, they are all dead, ma'am, inverted comma closed. Now come to number L. Punctuate the following passage using capital letters wherever necessary. So now this time we will punctuate with capital letter. Okay, so hope you can remember capital letter. The sentence starts with the sentence begins with a capital letter, and also for I, pronoun I, always with capital letter. Okay, proper nouns are always with capital letter. So at first punctuate the following passage using the capital letter. Okay, so capital letter I capital letter, I want to reach the moon, said King Jung Bahadur, J capital letter, Bahadur B capital letter, to his minister Ramchand, R capital letter, Chand C capital letter. Here we will only punctuate with capital letter. Okay, at first I want to, I capital letter, Jung Bahadur, J capital letter, B capital letter, Ramchand, R capital letter, C capital letter. Number next, but B capital letter, how do you plan to reach the moon, your majesty? It's too far off, said Ramchand, R capital letter, Chand, C capital letter. Students, here it is, here the instruction is given punctuate. Okay, so you can use here the at first when the sentence starts I want to reach, I, sentence begins with I, and also put inverted comma. Inverted comma is used to enclose the exact words spoken by the speaker. Okay, so I inverted comma, within inverted comma, I want to reach the moon, inverted comma close comma. said King Jung Bahadur to his minister Ramchand. Full stop. Next line. But B capital letter and also starts with inverted comma. Inverted comma. But how do you plan to reach the moon, your majesty? Question mark. Inverted comma closed. Second sentence. Inverted comma and capital B. But how do you plan to reach the moon, your majesty? Question mark and inverted comma closed. It's too far off. It's too far off, comma, inverted comma closed. I'm so sorry, students. Inverted comma starts with B. How do you plan to reach the moon, your majesty? Question mark. It's too far off. Question, inverted comma closed. Okay. Said Ramchand. Okay. R capital letter, Chand capital letter. Next, number 3. Inverted comma begins with inverted comma. I capital letter. I don't care, I want to. I also capital letter. Want to be the first man to reach the moon. Inverted comma closed and also comma. Said King Jung Bahadur. Jung Bahadur, J capital letter, Bahadur, B capital letter. Okay. Now students, okay, so this chapter is also completed. We will meet in the next class. Thank you so much.